cliche of a lifestyle is what people generally live nowadays, going through all the sufferings, going through all the problems and pains, and getting upset about life and getting upset about things that is happening to them, and just doing the way people want. Everybody is doing, follow the crowd, just be like a sheep, and then you have a shepherd who will be commanding you, you be a slave to the shepherd, and all these things. It's a lifestyle which is in denial of our within, of our inner being. It's a lifestyle where we deny ourselves. We go through a regretful life. We are not content. And meta means beyond. So beyond, meta lifestyle is a lifestyle where you are in resonance with your inner excellence, and you have the external, the outer excellence also. You are healthy in the way we used to be in Bharat before all these foreign nonsense overtook our lifestyle. So this is meta lifestyle. Meta lifestyle. There is me, who is an excellence coach, and all the problems, all the issues which is denying you goodness in life, we do want to